It's when I'm melting to you. I'm melting to you. Now that we have established that our bundles are in fact human hair and not a synthetic blend, we can start making the wigs. So this headband wig, this bob headband wig, will be for myself, and I'll make more for my clients. But for now, let's use my measurements. So this is our canvas head that we'll be using. It is 23 inches, although I still need to get 22 inches. It's either a mesh dome cap or this one, which some people prefer this one, some prefer this. Because I don't have the, what do you call those, clips, those clip comb thingies. I don't have them yet. I will not use this one. I'll just use this one. Yes. And then this is how we just add it on to. Mind you guys, I don't have a wig stand yet, which is something I have to get. Before recording, and this is going to be our headband section, which we are going to put here in the front. And then when we put it, we won't be putting it over here. We will be putting it like 1.5 inches from the front, because headbands, it can be worn from here, it can be worn from here, so we don't want it to be too big and overlapping to your eyebrows. That's why make sure that it is equal on the sides. Where are my T-pins? I'll be using T-pins just to place it properly. Pretty close. So after putting the pins, after sewing, we'll have that. Then this front part will be cut off. It will be cut off, so let's do that. Let's sew this in. So I'll be using, we have these two options. This is normal thread, the thin one, but for my wigs I prefer these type of threads, which are, I think they say nylon threads. They're slightly thicker to hold more, because this would breaks easier than this, and wool is a bit too thick. It swells if the wig gets wet and it just becomes loose, which we don't want. So this is the best bet for me. I highly recommend these. And what kind of, we'll be using a C-curve needle. Highly recommend C-curved needles for this, sewing your wigs. We use this to put the thread through the needle, and that's something I learned on TikTok. For after suffering and suffering to get my thread through my needle, because this is thick, so it's a bit challenging to just use your hands. There you have it. Yes, then you pull it, and there you have it. I don't like making it too long because it's difficult to manage when it's too long, so I just keep a very length. Yes. And then just fasten it. I actually don't know. So firstly, I'll take the thread through here so that the part that I fastened doesn't just show over the headband. Here you go. Then we can begin sewing. We can remove this T-pin because we've established that. test out and see. Now we have our 1-inch lines to guide us, and then here it's not 1 inch, but it's also lines to guide us further. They are smaller because they are in front and the top. Yes. Now we can add our bundles. So I will start at the back with 8-inch bundles because it's shorter. We just need shorter hair at the back. So these are already, usually in order to create a double weft, I sew them like so. I would sew it like so, but these are already double wefted. I don't know if you guys can see, they're already double. So that just makes our job easier. Yes. Now we can begin sewing our hair.